everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Lab.
Where English learning becomes smart and simple.
Hello, and welcome back to English Talk Lab and to day 2 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge.
You came back, and honestly, that means everything. A lot of people start things. Not everyone comes back for day 2, but you did, and we are so proud of you.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ethan. And today, we have something really exciting for you.
Yesterday, on day 1, we practiced sentences about learning English, motivation, belief, confidence, and you did brilliantly.
But today, we're stepping into real life. Today's theme is daily life and routine.
These are the sentences you actually need every single day. When you wake up, when you go to work, when you eat, when you rest. These phrases are the building blocks of real English conversation.
So today's practice isn't just about speaking English. It's about speaking English that you can actually use starting today.
And we'll do it the same way. Shadowing. You listen, you repeat, you copy the rhythm and the sound, step by step, together.
But before we start, quick question. Did you practice yesterday's sentences again after the video? Even once?
If you did, amazing. That's exactly the habit we want you to build.
And if you didn't, no worries at all. You're here now. That's what matters. Let's make today count.
Now, before we jump into today's shadowing practice, let's talk about something important.
Why daily life sentences? Why does this matter so much?
Think about it this way. When you learn English in school, you learn grammar, you learn rules, but nobody teaches you how to say, I usually wake up at 7 in the morning, or I make myself a cup of tea before I start work.
And yet, these are the sentences you need most every day in real conversations with real people.
When you can talk about your daily routine in English naturally, confidently, without thinking too hard, that's when you start to feel truly fluent.
And that feeling, that confidence, it starts right here, right now, with today's practice.
So, are you ready to speak about your real life in English?
I know you are. Let's go over the instructions one more time just to keep things smooth.
We will say a sentence. You listen carefully. Then there will be a pause. That pause is yours. Speak out loud.
Repeat the sentence clearly, copy the rhythm, the stress, the natural flow.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, even if it's slow, even if you stumble. That's all part of the process.
Watch the subtitles, follow the highlighted words, and most importantly, enjoy this. You're learning real English today.
All right, let's begin. Set 1, short and natural. Here we go. Set 1, daily life. Short and natural. Let's warm up.
Sentence 1. I wake up early every morning.
Love it. Say it again. I wake up early every morning.
Sentence 2. I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Simple and natural. Again, I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Sentence 3. I drink a glass of water when I wake up.
Healthy habit. Say it again. I drink a glass of water when I wake up.
Sentence 4. I have breakfast at home.
Short and clear. Again, I have breakfast at home.
Sentence 5. I get dressed and get ready for the day.
Nice rhythm on that one. Say it again. I get dressed and get ready for the day. You're doing so well. Keep going. 5 more in set 1.
Sentence 6. I go to work in the morning.
Simple. Smooth. Again, I go to work in the morning. Sentence 7. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Usually. Great word to know. Say it again. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Sentence 8. I take a short break in the afternoon. Everyone loves a break. Again, I take a short break in the afternoon.
Sentence 9. I come home in the evening.
Smooth and natural. Say it again. I come home in the evening.
Sentence 10. Our milestone sentence. Give it everything. I go to bed at around 10 o'clock.
Perfect way to end a day. Say it again. I go to bed at around 10 o'clock. Set 1 done. 10 sentences about your daily routine, and you said every single one out loud. That is real progress.
Did you notice something? Those sentences, they feel natural. They feel like real English. Because they are. This is how native speakers actually talk about their day.
And now, set 2. The sentences get a little longer, a little richer, but the topic stays the same, your daily life. And I know you're ready for it.
Take a breath, shake out your hands, and let's keep going.
Set 2, slightly longer, real-life English. Let's go.
Sentence 11. In the morning, I like to have a cup of tea or coffee.
Oh, I love my morning coffee too. Say it again. In the morning, I like to have a cup of tea or coffee. Sentence 12. I check my phone as soon as I wake up.
Sounds familiar, right? Say it again. I check my phone as soon as I wake up. Sentence 13. I try to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day.
A great habit. Say it again. I try to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Sentence 14. After work, I like to relax and watch something on TV.
Everyone deserves that. Again, after work, I like to relax and watch something on TV. Sentence 15. I cook dinner at home most evenings.
Homemade food is the best. Say it again. I cook dinner at home most evenings. Halfway through set 2, you are doing brilliantly. Keep that energy going.
Sentence 16. On weekends, I spend time with my family.
That one feels warm, doesn't it? Say it again. On weekends, I spend time with my family. Sentence 17. I like to go for a walk in the evening to clear my head.
Clear my head, a very natural English phrase. Again, I like to go for a walk in the evening to clear my head. Sentence 18. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music.
A lovely way to wind down. Say it again. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music. Sentence 19. I try to eat healthy food and drink enough water every day.
Simple, but so important. Again, I try to eat healthy food and drink enough water every day. Sentence 20. Halfway champion sentence. Let's go. My daily routine helps me feel organized and in control.
Organized and in control. Say it like you mean it. Again, my daily routine helps me feel organized and in control.
One last time, own it. My daily routine helps me feel organized and in control. 20 sentences. You're 2/3 of the way through, and honestly, look at you go.
Every sentence you say out loud is building something inside you. confidence, fluency, a new way of thinking in English.
And the best part? These sentences you can use tomorrow. When someone asks you, what do you do in the morning? You'll know exactly what to say.
That's real English. That's what we're building here at English Talk Lab.
Okay, take a sip of water. We've got 10 more sentences to go. The final set. And this one? This is where we bring it all together.
Set 3. Let's finish strong.
Set 3. Longer sentences. Real conversations. Let's finish strong.
Sentence 21. Every morning, I try to start my day with a positive thought.
What a beautiful way to start. Say it again. Every morning, I try to start my day with a positive thought. Sentence 22. I always feel better after a good night's sleep.
So true. Say it again. I always feel better after a good night's sleep. Sentence 23. I try not to look at my phone too much before going to sleep.
We all need to hear that one. Again. I try not to look at my phone too much before going to sleep.
Sentence 24. I make a list of things I need to do each day.
Very organized. Say it again. I make a list of things I need to do each day.
Sentence 25. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try to do my best.
That's real life. That's real English. Again. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try to do my best. Just 5 more. You're almost there. Don't stop now.
Sentence 26. At the weekend, I like to sleep in a little later than usual.
A well-deserved rest. Say it again. At the weekend, I like to sleep in a little later than usual.
Sentence 27. I enjoy having a quiet cup of tea in the morning before the day gets busy.
That sounds so peaceful. Again, I enjoy having a quiet cup of tea in the morning before the day gets busy.
Sentence 28. I like to call or message my friends and family during the week.
Staying connected, so important. Say it again. I like to call or message my friends and family during the week.
Sentence 29. At the end of the day, I think about what went well and what I can do better.
That's a powerful habit. Say it again. At the end of the day, I think about what went well and what I can do better.
And now the final sentence, sentence 30, our last milestone. Make this one count.
Sentence 30. My daily routine is a reflection of who I am and who I want to become.
Wow. Say that again and feel every word.
My daily routine is a reflection of who I am and who I want to become. One last time, with everything you've got. My daily routine is a reflection of who I am and who I want to become.
30 sentences done. Day 2 complete.
You did it again. You showed up, you spoke out loud, you practiced real English. English you can actually use in your everyday life.
Do you see how different today felt from day 1? The sentences were about real things. Your morning, your meals, your evenings, your life.
That's the power of shadowing with real-life language. It doesn't just improve your English, It connects your English to your world.
And every day, this connection gets stronger. Your English gets more natural, more confident, more you.
So, here's your little challenge for today. After this video, try to say 3 of today's sentences to yourself, while you're making tea, while you're walking, while you're getting ready for bed.
Just 3 sentences, out loud, in English. Can you do that?
Of course you can. You just said 30.
Now, if you enjoyed today's practice, please give this video a like. It really helps us reach more English learners around the world, and it means so much to us.
And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the English Talk Lab family. Hit that subscribe button and come back tomorrow for day 3.
Day 3 is going to be something special. A new theme, new sentences, new energy. You do not want to miss it.
And until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, every word you say in English is a step forward.
Keep walking. We'll be right here with you.